Managing any society is not an easy task. Tired of doing manual work related to management of your housing society? If yes, then say hello to Colony World. Colony World is a unique and innovative society management app. It helps you to manage different aspects of the housing society with ease. Whether the housing society is big or small, it doesn't matter, as it is designed to meet different types of user experiences in mind. Colony World allows you to manage flat owners, tenants, parking allotments, maintenance collections, visitor management, e-commerce store and much more. It comes with pre-integrated payment options for collecting payments for maintenance or from flat owners or from tenants. Colony World is a SaaS platform and comes with multiple variants to choose from with pay-as-you-go payment model. With web and mobile app, the users can access the platform anytime, anywhere without the need of any specific hardware or software. So, what are you waiting for? Visit getecard.com to get your society's own web portal and mobile app today.